Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Measure ingredients precisely. 500 grams of cocoa mass, 150 grams of cocoa butter, and 120 grams of sugar to achieve a 70% dark chocolate ratio. Use a digital scale and a thermometer for accuracy. Temperature control is essential. Prepare a double boiler for melting, a heat-proof bowl, spatulas, and a 20 cm silicone mold. Add 2 grams of soy lecithin and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to refine texture and flavor. Keep all equipment dry and clean to prevent moisture seizing the chocolate. Start by gently melting cocoa butter to 45 degrees C and combine with grated cocoa mass, stirring until homogeneous. Slowly add powdered sugar while maintaining 42-45 degrees C to prevent crystallization. Transfer the mix to a melanger or ball mill and grind until particles are under 25 microns for a silky mouthfeel. Conch the chocolate at 55-60 degrees C for 12 to 24 hours to reduce acidity and volatile compounds, improving flavor and viscosity. Stir in lecithin at the end, and tempering creates stable cocoa butter crystals. Heat the chocolate mass to 48 degrees C, cool it to 27 degrees C, then gently reheat to 31 degrees C for dark chocolate to set glossy and snap. Pour the tempered chocolate into a 20 cm silicone mold, tap firmly to release trapped air, and scrape the surface flat. Allow the bars to set for about 2 hours at 18 degrees C. Unmold and inspect for bloom or streaks. Store finished bars at 15-18 degrees C with 50-55% humidity, away from light and strong odors to preserve aroma.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.